Hi, today we're going to be taking the unboxing review look at Transformers Generations, Titans Return, Walgreens exclusive. So these are the Chrome Brothers. You have Decepticon Wingspan and Autobot Cloudraker. These are Walgreens exclusive. Although I have seen them online at other online retail toy stores. So Toywiz.com has them and the TF Source. Both links down below in the description, so if you want to go check out those websites, because apparently, Walgreens, they don't have this one anymore. So if you go into your Walgreens, you're like, oh hey, I could pick it up. Not the case anymore. So definitely go to those two websites that I have the links down below in the description if you really want to go ahead and pick this one up. Also, two shouts. One to Pidge for his channel. If you go to the TF Source website link, you'll see that it has a little video clip from what he showed on YouTube. So that's pretty cool. Also, another shout out to one of my other subscribers, to Jake Gray, Fit Your Man. Shout out to you because you did say, hey, your next video, could you give me a shout? And this is my next video, and I am giving you a shout. So I try to give back to my subscribers as much as I possibly can. Now I know Jack Gray. If you're not Jack, I mean Jake Gray. Don't know why I want to say Jack. It's Jake. Anyway, yeah, if you're watching and you're wondering if I'm going to do anything special for my upcoming, pretty soon, 1,000 subscribers special, am I going to do any giveaways? Unfortunately, no. Don't get me wrong, I would love to do a giveaway, but I'm not sponsored by anyone. So everything that you see here comes out of my own pocket, my own money, and money is kind of tight because, yeah, situation, had to deal with some stuff in the family. For a while, my camera was broken, so I didn't have a camera for a while. I had to get this camera right here on sale. Not really the one that I was looking for, but when you find it on sale and you're like, yeah, you're doing YouTube and you need a camera, so yeah. Now, if I ever was to do a giveaway, hopefully sometime in the future I could do a giveaway. How will I want to do it? I made it fair and easy, real simple. I'll probably want to, either for YouTube, and do a random comment generator or Green, IO, just something like that. I'll probably have, what's in the US, and I would not ask anyone for any money. Because I have seen a lot of these dirty, scumbag YouTube channels out there that they're like, oh hey, I'm doing a free giveaway. And then 2 cents later they're like, oh yeah, and the winner has to pay me like $10 through PayPal. Well, right there, you just call yourself in your own lie. You are not giving away that item for free. You're giving away that item to one lucky person at a discount price. If it's free, you don't pay jack squat anything. If you're charging people for the prize, technically you're not giving them away something for free. You're giving them something for a discount price. So right there, that should be a yellow red flag that YouTube should put up and be like, hey, if you're doing a free giveaway, it should be free. Another thing, that there's some that are even dirtier and scummier than that. Not only would they ask the winners to pay them the $10 through PayPal, because they're saying it's for shipping. We all know it's for going in their pocket, in their personal bank accounts. They will also ask for photo ID, which I feel that is like above and beyond disgusting. That, well, yeah, it's just beyond disgusting. I mean, one, why are they asking for money when they immediately, in the video, they say it's a free giveaway? Two, why are they asking for ID and stuff? That's just way too freaking personal. They know your height, your weight, your hair color, your eye color. They know everything about you. They know, are you ordering daughter or not? They don't need to know that information. All they need to know is, your name, your city, your state, your address, just the basic information that, the UPS or, just the standard mail service would put on there so they can actually ship you your product that that you want, your prize, right? These YouTubers, they don't need to know what you look like, how much weight you have, how high or how short you are, like how tall or short you are, what color your eyes are, what color your hair is, are you orange or not. Why the F do they need to know that information? That is too personal. Unless they are really dirty and they go into the black web, dark market type of deal and enter your name into different accounts and try to do BS stuff, hack your accounts and stuff. Well, that's where YouTube needs to step in. Kind of like, what was it? I can't feel the name right now. It's not Twitch. Ah, God, what is it? It's one of those social media sites. I can't feel it right now, but it'll probably come to me later on in this video. Dang it, I just can't think of it. It's not Twitter. Oh man, this is driving me nuts right now. What is the name of that social media website? I can't think of it right now. But you know what I'm talking about. Some people on YouTube try to do it. I think Jobby, he did it on his channel, where it was like, hey, you want to enter into my giveaway? Go over to, the social media site and pay $1 to enter in. And then that social media site was like, no way, man. You cannot do that. That's illegal. That's charging people for a chance to gamble free prize. No. So he had made a apology video, a new video apologizing. He had to give back the money. And then he had one it legit for free. So right there, any YouTube channel that you see that's doing a giveaway that after the 2 seconds they say it's a free giveaway, but then they start saying winner has to pay $10 for PayPal. And the other one, where not only do they ask $10 for PayPal, but they also ask for your photo ID. That's right there is a big warning red flag. It's like, no, no, no. That's a BS and beyond BS going on right there, okay? Just to let you know, there are some YouTube channels that are that. Now, if they're doing a product that, maybe they do need some sort of ID. No, one, they should take responsibility for the channel and lock that giveaway prize under an age restriction. I mean, it's just simple. You just hit on this video, do you want an age restrict or not an age restrict? Click age restrict, and anyone that's not of that certain age cannot enter into that video, for that giveaway. Simple. Take freaking responsibility, okay? Let's see what else. Now, there is some YouTubers out there that do actual 100% legit, down-to-earth, free giveaways. Number one, which is another shout out, I'm going to say to Dave's World. Definitely go check out his channel. Right now he's doing gun plug giveaways, model kits, really awesome. He runs it through a Gleam site, so it's legit. Also, he kind of announces the winner on YouTube, so all good. And if you win, he pays for the shipping. You do not pay for the shipping. The winner does not pay anything. All the winner has to do is private message saying, yes, I am the winner. Here's where I live. This is where you can send my prize. Simple, easy, legit, clean. That dude has class. Unlike the other dirty, disgusting YouTube giveaway channels that's like, ugh, that they ask for their lucky winner to get their money for their free prize, which, right there, after you get the money, that prize ain't free. That winner had to pay a discount price, and number two, some would go above and beyond that pay. Not only would they ask for money, they would ask for a personal photo ID. That's where YouTube needs to step on their game and say, no, you cannot run a giveaway like that. If it's free, and you say free on the title, in the thumbnail, in the description there, it should be free. That you who are hosting the giveaway should pay for it, the shipping, not the winner. Number two, there should never be anything for ID required. And if it is something that's a little more extreme, like let's say a vaping product or a gun accessory, take responsibility for your channel, lock it under an age restriction where Anyone that is not of that age cannot watch that video. They cannot enter into it. Anyone that is of that age can watch that video and enter into that giveaway. Step it up, YouTube. Step it up, YouTubers. Take responsibility for your channels. And YouTube, take responsibility on this giveaway. Whoever the heck is in charge now of YouTube, you're doing a bad job. I mean, your live stream is pretty good, but now they have these new things where it's like, almost like countdown to live stream, but it's not live stream where you can preview things. Am I going to do that? You know, like say, hey, you got like 2 days just to see this video going up? No. You're going to wait like maybe 3 minutes for, you know, how long it takes for the video to upload, and that's it. So, whoever's in charge of YouTube, the live stream part you did pretty good. This other stuff that you're pulling and the stuff that you're letting these dirty, disgusting YouTube channels do for their giveaways, no. Now, the YouTube channels, like Dave's World I mentioned, he's awesome. He deserves like some kind of special reward, like a YouTube trophy, or you know, that YouTube player button, because he's legit, he's queen, unlike these other channels. So I know a lot of you is like, oh man, it's taking so long to do this unboxing. Yes, I know, but you know, you do have to understand, my 1,000 is coming up. I would love to do a giveaway, but unfortunately I don't have the money or, you know, a sponsor to do a giveaway. And then, you know, let you know about what's going on with YouTube giveaways. Like, how a lot of them are dirty, and a lot of them are like double dirty. And there's only a very, very few that is very clean, that, you know, has a clean channel, that they do it legitimate, the right way. So, yeah. So now, let's get on to